Hey everybody, it's Stephanie. I'm now checking to see if I made the same mistakes I did last time where I had, what did I have? Oh yeah, the camera stand was in the way. I think we're good now. I think we're good. All right, so last time we did something French. Time before that we did a sheep to put in my kitchen. And this time I decided let's continue with the farmhouse country feel. Especially since my husband decided that he liked the sheep better than he liked the big French monogram piece that I did. Whatever. Okay, so what we've got is this. This is one of our new surfaces. This is our palette sign. If you can see that right there. It's 9 by 12. Yeah, I've already opened it once, but I thought I'd show you the box. Really, really cute. What I like about it is, look at that, isn't that nice? You can do it like that. You could even probably do the back. I'm going to do the front. I like the weathered wood look of it. All right, so we've got this. Hey to everybody who's watching. If I can kind of glance every now and then and see you. If not, nothing personal, but good to see you. All right, so we've got this scale. I think my grandmother had a scale like this at one point. Kind of cool. So we've got the scale. This again is from the Corner Market collection. We've got those chalk stories that we're working right now that I really like. I also have where it says, let's see, quality dry goods since 1902. I've got this little piece here. That might go in at some point. I don't know. Let's see. We've got that. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. We're using black chalk paste. This is our super stash of black chalk paste. And this is how simple all of this is. Give it a little stir. Oh, good thing I ordered a new one. I'm almost out. All right, first things first. Here we go. Really easy. This is our fuzzing cloth that we have here at Chalk Couture. Okay, we've got this. We're going to go ahead and fuzz it. Remember, you want to fuzz your transfers because you don't want them super sticky. You want them sticky, yes, but super sticky, and they are a hot mess to get off. All right, peel this off. This is how fast this is. If I press for time, I've got people coming over. It's like, I need something that looks good. There we go. If the hair gets in the way, sorry about that, but you'll be fine. All right. Let's see, let's kind of do this with it. I think right there works. Let's see. What do we think? Is that looking pretty good? Let's hold that up. Yeah, it's really nice because I cheated and used this straight line to line up with that straight line of the scale. Hey, gotta do what you gotta do, right? All right, make sure this is nice. You don't want bubbles on the edges because you'll get seepage of your chalk, and that's not really something you want. That's actually kind of gross if you stop and think about it, but it can really mess things up. This is not one of our boards that washes off, so I definitely want to be careful with it. Some of our boards are boutique boards. You can wash your chalk paste off. Now, yes, chalk paste is washable. As you remember, the ink is not, but the chalk paste is washable. So take off the excess, put it back on there. Put that right there. First time I've used a palette board, so I'm really excited to see how it works. All right, so far so good. Let's go ahead and pull this off. And I'm being joined by the dog. I don't know if you can hear her little feet. Oh, that's cute. I like that. I like that. I like that. So let's go ahead and do quality dry goods. We're going to put this at the top. I'm fuzzing that. You can't see it, it's kind of off camera a little bit, but you should be good. I love Chalk Couture. I do, because we're redoing the kitchen just a little bit, not a full overhaul, but I did want to do something different. So here we go. Let's kind of line it up here. Okay, don't want it up that high, but I think I'll kind of judge it with, again, if my head's in the way, I apologize. See what that looks like. Do I want that there? There's the G, there's that. So just kind of move that down a little bit, try to get the idea. I may end up fixing that. Yeah, because that's so not straight. And of course, why on earth would I use a ruler? Because that would make sense, right? So we'll start it again here. Yes, I eye a lot of stuff. It's a thing. It's my thing, right? Everybody's got to have a thing. Mine is eyeing it and hoping to God I get it right. So we'll do that. That looks good right about there. Let's see what she looks like. Not bad, huh? Not too shabby. Just kind of Yeah, that works. Oh, great. When I do stuff for clients, I really do measure, I swear. This one's for me though, but I think, yeah, I think that'll work. We could always do this little test. Grab one of my daughter's note cards. Do this here. I know, I could get a ruler, but why? Why would I get a ruler when I can just do this? Ha ha, not bad. Okay, close enough. Okay, yeah, I know, I just said that again. All right, let's do this. A little bit of that on there. Getting the black chalk paste. There's just something really nice and simple about black and white. It just is. I will take a photo of this later on top of the cabinets. Maybe this time I'll clean off the countertops. Maybe I won't. I don't know. We'll see. Last time I didn't. Posted it anyway. All right. Put that back in. I'm really excited to see what these palette signs will be like in different ways we can use them. I really like this though. All right. Quality dry goods. Cute. Now let's pop the 1902 on there since 1902. Let me go ahead and fuzz this. We'll go from there here. Okay. I think, you know, I think I just want it to be that. I don't think I want that extra piece. I think I just want it like that. So make sure that that is lined up there and that is lined up there. All right, what do we think? Like that? If it's on top of a counter, you really can't see it all that well depending on where you put it. So you really want to make sure that if you put things up high enough, you don't want to put things down too low because where you place them on top of the cabinets really can affect it. So you want to make sure of that. Let's see. Pretty square. I like that one. I like that one. I might move that over just a tad. Just a little bit. I don't know. It's not bad. But I think I want it. Well, I don't know though. Watch this. Let's see. That's kind of right there at the end, and that's kind of right there at the end. Move it over a smidge. Just a bit. Okay, yeah, keep it straight there. Smush it over a bit. Yeah, I think that'll work. Make sure that. Husband's upstairs, if you can hear that. I'm in the basement in my studio. Let's see, what do we like? That working? Okay. Cool. All right. Let's do this. I love this. It just cleans up so easy. I'll just go upstairs and when I'm done here, rinse it all off, dry it on the other side of my cloth, and then put it back on its backing sheet, and I'm done. Done, done, done. All right, scrape a little bit off. Remember, that's how easy this is. Slap it on there, get it where you want it, plop paste on, scrape it off, and pull. And done. Not too shabby, huh? I kind of like this. All right. That is going to go up in the kitchen, and I will take a photo of what it looks like there and pop that on out. I hope everybody has a good Saturday. Thanks for watching.